Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Airbnb account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your Airbnb account, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. Then after that, simply open the site of airbnb.com. Then, after opening your site, just simply log in the account which you want to delete and then tap into this icon at the right side. After tapping into there, you will get to see this account option into here. Just simply tap into that account option. And now, after tapping into account option, you will get to see so many options again. Now, you just simply have to select privacy and sharing option. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get to see this delete your account. Just simply tap into delete your account, and after tapping into delete your account button, you just simply have to scroll down a bit and select your country into this box. And now after selecting the country, just simply select the states if your country have any, and then you just simply have to select the reason for deleting the account. And now click to next button. Then after that, you can choose to deactivate instead of deleting, and in order to delete, just simply tap into delete account. Then after doing this, open your mailbox and check for the confirmation mail. Then after confirming from the mail section, your account will successfully be deleted into Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.